4 things that women love than money. Yeah, there is 4 things that women love than money. 4. Sometimes, guys, you can give a woman money, and that money, she got to give someone else who gonna make her happy. They are doing that every day. You give her money, she will not spend it. She just gonna go to give that someone who make her feel good. It's happening now, even before, and it's still gonna happen. Yeah, she go and give someone she wants, not you. You are to give the money, and then she gonna take it to the one she wants. You just pump her with money, but that money she not even gonna use it. She gonna go and give someone she wants to give that money. She not gonna use it for herself. Women are like that. They like to give. They like to give the one they love, the one they like, the one who make her happy. The first thing women love than money is a man who make her calm. A man who make her calm. A man who make her... Yes, guys. Yes, a man who satisfy her for her needs. That one is the number one for a lady. Is the number one for women. The bell just ring her every time. She just miss that excitement. You know what I'm saying? That man, she can never forget her. She'll go round. She's end up coming to that man. The man who make her satisfy her. She always go for him. I mean, this is something a woman love than money. A man who satisfy her, a man who make her excite, a man who make her calm. That one is number one. Man, if you don't know now. She love him than money. Yes, you can ask any woman. She'll tell you. A lot of them, they're going to tell you this. I'm telling you. Yeah, they will tell you. Yes, she love you than money because you make sweet love for her. She love you than money. Let me tell you. If you're there, know that she love you than money because you make her satisfied. You make sweet love for her. She just feel she's in cloud 9. And the other one don't make her cloud 9. She just search for you. If she wants, she'll search for you. The second one is a man who give her head. Women like to be given head. You know what I'm saying? Women like to be sucked down there. So if she know that you know how to do it, she'll love you than money. She'll do anything to keep you, to get you wherever you are. Just for that pressure only. She'll love you than money, that one. I'm telling you, you can give her money, you can give her you can put that man here and money here. She'll leave the money, she'll go for that man. Yeah, ask a lot of them, they're gonna tell you. A lot of them, they're gonna tell you. They love head. Yes, they love the head. They love those one who do head for them, who suck them. Yes, they love them. They love them than money. That is a secret for women. Men, you must know. So do it and do it nicely. So she can get someone who do it nicely. The third one is men who always compliment women. Women love to be complimented. Women love to hear They like to hear someone saying something to them. Yes, you look nice, you dress nice, you always smart, you're always clean, you know. Women like to be told like this. If you tell a woman like that, you are like this, she'll love you than money. You give her money, you give her that one who complimenting her, she just gonna run to that one who compliment her. Women like to feel valued. Women like to feel that, yeah, I'm loved. That women like to hear. Women listen. Women, they are good listeners. They like to hear. They like to hear something. They are being someone telling them something. Sometimes they don't like action. Most of the time, women don't like action. They like to hear. What are you telling her? They like to hear what you're telling her. That's who the women are. They like compliments. They like to be told things. They like to be told sweet things. That's what women are. They love compliments. They love things. They like to be told things, not action. They like to hear. And I'm telling you, if those men who are sweet women, they always get women. Those men who are sweet talks, they always get women. They can get any woman they want because they like to talk sweet things. And a woman, they like to hear sweet things. So she just get in the box right away. Women love men who compliment them. Women love men who make them feel good, who make them feel special, who make them feel that she's valued. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. They like those men than money. You give them that man, they take the man, they leave the money with you. That's it. They like compliments. The fourth point is respect. Women like people who respect them. You're a guy, you come around, you respect her, she'll like you. She's not gonna say, hey, take, hey, what. No. They like people. Women like people who value them. Women like people who treat them as a ladies. Women like people who see them as their sisters, as their mothers, as their wives, as their girlfriends. Like, they like to be respected as themselves. See, sometimes let's say you go to the shop and then you are just getting somewhere, and then the men come, and then you are like the same step with the man, with the guy, and then the guy give the hand and say, go first. Yeah, that's what women like. They like to be putted first. They like to be treated that they are first. They'll love you. They love those people, those guys who respect them. You are going to the shop, you are going to the shopping, the man is behind you, the man is front of you, and then you hear men say, no, you can go first. My friend, you feel respected. You feel like a lady, you know. The men say, no, you go first. He just left behind, but he was in front, but he's telling you that, no, you can go first. You feel like, I am the lady at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, yeah, those are the things that women love than money. Those 4 things women love than money. So, guys, always remember those 4 things. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Comment below and leave the bell for notification wherever I release new video. They are the first one to know. Subscribe, please.